Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to click into a cell to type into it. So you have the cursor on the screen, and you will just use your mouse and move the cursor into the cell. Click your mouse, and you'll notice the flashing cursor. Now, if you happen to have clicked somewhere like here, you'll notice this flashing right there. All you'd have to do is use the arrow keys to move beyond that colon. And so then you would just type name of ad, and you just type using that keyboard. And then when you need to get to the next one, it's the same thing. Move your cursor over and you just click and name of second ad, and the same thing. You'll do it with all of these. It's the same as what you're doing for these boxes. Now in these, you can either highlight it all and type over it, or you can put your cursor here and then backspace, whatever works best for you. But the question was how to put the title of the advertisement in. Bring your cursor up and click and type. And that's it. It's as simple as that.